everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to review the Eterish reusable washable pee pads for dogs. Now, as you know, I have a older German Shepherd, and she's has a problem lately of leaking, so we're taking her into the vet as soon as we can get an appointment. But he's been really busy, so we've had to make do with some things in the meantime. And one of the things I got were these washable pee pads. Now, they have been doing a wonderful job. I've had them for about a week now, and they have been washed. Well, turn you around, let you see them. Okay, this is what the pad looks like. We ordered the extra large one. It's 36 by 41 inches, and it comes in 2 packs. These are very absorbent, waterproof, non-slip, and she uses them at night. She lays out on them at night, and they have done really well. And I waited until after I washed them to make sure that they washed how they would wash, and they did an excellent job.
Person detected at
This is what they look like up close, and this is what the back looks like. And it's kind of got these little gripper things that hold it in place. She's scratched at it to lay down and everything, and they've held up really well. Like I said, these have been washed. They have cut down on my maintenance a lot because I don't have to shampoo the whole floor. I put these down at night. She lays on these, and that takes care of that problem at nighttime. Okay, these come in 2 different colors. You can get them gray or you can get them in khaki color. This package was about $27. They come in larger sizes, and they come in smaller, larger sizes. You can get a 72 by 72, and that's a 1-pack, or you can get smaller sizes, 18 by 24, 2-pack for $16. So they're very reasonable. And they're, like I said, they're really good as far as what you need them for. You can use them for older dogs. You can use them for puppies. You can put them inside the crates while the puppies sleep at night or wherever when you're potty training them. And they really have been a good investment. So I hope you find this review helpful. And remember, dream big, follow that dream, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.